Okay, now that we're here in the kitchen, I'm gonna show you how to make a nice fruit bouquet.
Tasty and twisty, yeah!
Get yourself a container. The more it resembles a flower pot or small planting bucket, the better. You will also need some crafting styrofoam. This is the hard kind of styrofoam, not the bendy soft kind. It's not necessary, but you can also get some of that fake grass that you can find in stores around Easter time. Get some skewers. Plastic will work best, but wood and metal will work too. And of course, you need ample fruit. I feel like I don't need to say this, but pick fruits that your significant other would enjoy. Ah crap, I forgot to use the dollar off sticker. Oh well. And that's a lot of fruit. Take your bucket and clean it. Well, with everything going on, just clean it. Take a pair of scissors or other proper blade and cut some pieces out of the styrofoam that are big enough to fit tightly as you stuff them into the bucket. If your pieces slide around a little, they need to be bigger or maybe glued together if you have the right epoxy. After filling up your container to about 1.5 inches below the brim, ready your fruit, fake grass if you're using it, and skewers. Wash them dang hands. Side note, if your fruit is still whole, wash them and cut them up with an appropriate knife into bite-sized chunks. I chose to not use the fake grass, but if you wanted to use it, place some of it on top of your styrofoam up to the brim of the bucket, but not overflowing. Take your skewers and pierce through the fruit to your liking, then stick the other end of the skewer into the styrofoam in a way that keeps it from falling over if bumped. I tried to use slightly tougher fruits like mango and cantaloupe for the bottom pieces, then softer fruits like raspberries and kiwis for the middle and tops. I also used strawberries for the toppers to give them a slightly pointy look. Some of my skewers had just one kind of fruit on them as well, such as grapes and mango. Stick some of the skewers in at an angle to give it more of a bunch of flowers look. And here it is! Give it to your excited significant other so they can enjoy.
Happy Valentine's Day.